Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Jacob here, aka Squishy. Sorry, I have a cold. Um, so I am bringing you a shoe review on my Reebok Allen Iverson question white noise. Now I just think this is a dope shoe. Um, so yeah, let's get straight into it. I already opened it. I've had these shoes for like a good few weeks now. Um, the shoes are not in this box. They're actually over there. I always keep them on top. I just love these shoes so much. I always have them so that I can see them whenever I want. But yeah, as you know, standard Allen Iverson question box. The gold rim right here. Yeah, as you can see. Uh, sorry. White bottom, black box. On the top, you got the I3 thing, Iverson, and then three his number. Then his signature. Then Reebok right here. So yeah, oh yeah, and then you got Reebok, right here too. And then inside you got this Reebok sticker. It's pretty much basic box. And you got the Reebok paper. See, it says it. See, the shoes are not in here, but they double papered it. I'm sorry. The voice crack is part of my cold. Hopefully, I'm going to the doctor's tomorrow to go see what's wrong. But here are the shoes. I already relaced them and everything. So yeah, here's one, and here is the other. Now, I just think this is a dope shoe. Like, hold on, let me turn on my light. Can you see that better? Yeah, you can. Alright. So, look. This is just one dope shoe. Like, if you just straight look at this shoe is just too dope. Like, alright. So, let's get into the shoe. I already relaced it. You know, just leave it loose with the knot. I do that with my Iversons, because those are how you pretty much lace your Iversons, or supposed to. Well, not supposed to, but that's how people lace them. Alright, so we're gonna start off with a tongue. It's a mesh tongue from here going down to over here. And right here you got your leather, your white leather. Now, this isn't a creamy leather, it's a regular white leather. So, like back here, how there's this, without the stripes, it's circles with your stitching of turquoise. It's like a greenish blue color. Well, I would call it turquoise. It's more of a greenish color, in my opinion. But yeah, this is all leather right here. Then you got leather, white leather behind with your patent leather with, oh, sorry. It's patent leather with the turquoise. And then you got your question logo. So, yeah. Alright. Toe cap. Patent leather with your turquoise. Then you got your sole, right? It's turquoise with the air bubble right here. See? And then you got your pink Reebok with right here your Reebok logo. Then you got right here leather, and it's white. Then you got more leather right here, and there's the stitching of the Reebok logo, and I just think that's dope. They like outlined it, so I'm feeling that. Then you got this strip of leather going around. That's white. Excuse me, I'm sorry. And then you got right here, this is still part of your soul. You got the two air bubbles on your questions. You got the green, orange, white, and pink. And this is just dope, honestly. The soul comes up here. You got the white with the stitching 3 in pink. And they just did an excellent job on this show. And my insoles, they're a little bit messed up. They're black in the inside a little bit. See, as you can see up there. But you got the turquoise Reebok, and then it's white. But the reason they, I'm sorry, the reason they're messed up is because I went from football practice one day, and I was wearing them the first day. Like I got them like on the weekend, and then Monday I came to school and I was wearing them, and I had football practice, and it just messed up the inside, so there's like black spots in it. But it's whatever. It's the insole. I'm not looking to sell these. These are some dope shoes, in my opinion. These are keeping shoes. Like when I saw them, it was a must cop. Like it wasn't like one of those shoes that I had to think about copping. Now, it's hard to match with those shoes because of the colors. So this shirt right here, I think is dope for the questions. This is what I wear with it. Now, sorry. For dressing wise, I would say that you should not really have the same colors because it's like you're gonna hurt yourself. Like you're not gonna be able to do it. There's no way you're gonna be able to get like a shirt that have all those colors on it. So you might as well just go with something that's close to it, like this shirt. But yeah. So there's gonna be on foot review. This is just a sneaker review. The on foot review is gonna be me wearing different pants and stuff. Or maybe just one pair of pants if I don't have more that go with it. Or that I like with it. You know what I mean? I'll probably do different like sweats, cargos, camo cargos, all that. And I got that idea from someone named Bullet RC. So yeah, go check him out on YouTube. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. This has been Jacob or Squishy on my shoe review of the Allen Iverson Reebok Questions White Noise edition. So yeah, thank you guys. This was my first shoe review, so don't be harsh. So yeah, thank you. Bye.